Now we are discussing about countries. In that today we are discussing about Kuwait. Kuwait, formerly known as Granny, Korani, Kurain, and officially the state of Kuwait, is a country in Western Asia. It is situated in the northern edge of eastern Arabia at the top of the Persian Gulf, bordering Iraq to the north and Saudi Arabia to the south. Kuwait, Kuwait also shares maritime borders with Iran, and the capital city of Kuwait country is Kuwait City. Dialing code is +965. That means those who are interested to talk with their friends and relatives in Kuwait means they can start in their mobile number with +965, then their mobile number, then it will go automatically. Their mobile means the residents' mobiles in the Kuwait. And area is 17,000, size of the area is 17,818 square kilometers. Currency is Kuwaiti dinar. Population is 43 lakhs, that is approximate. And official language is Arabic. Next point is Kuwait is a rich country. Kuwait is one of the richest countries in the world. The Kuwaiti dinar is the highest valued unit of currency in the world. According to the World Bank, Kuwait is the fifth richest country in the world by gross national income per capita. And next point is, what is Kuwait famous for? Kuwait is known for its home-grown tradition of theatre. Kuwait is the only Arab country in the Persian Gulf region with the theatrical tradition. The Arabic theatrical movement in Kuwait countries constitutes Kuwait constitutes a major part of the country's Arabic cultural life. And next point is Kuwait a good place to live? Wealthy, safe, and just about crime-free, Kuwait is a great entry point to the Muslim world of souks, mosques, and that all important warm Arabian hospitality. Check your government travel advisory before you go. Many governments advise traveling with a high degree of caution in Kuwait. And next point is Kuwait a good place to work? Kuwait is the least popular destination for expats to live and work in the world. According to a new global survey compiled by Internations, the Expat Insider 2015 poll of more than 14,300 expatriates representing 170 nationalities and living in 195 countries ranked Kuwait 64th out of 64 destinations covered. And the next point is, does Kuwait speak English? Arabic is the official language of Kuwait, but English is widely spoken. It is used in business and is compulsory second language in schools. Among the non-Kuwaiti population, many people speak Farsi, the official language of Iran, or Urdu, the official language of Pakistan. And the next point is, what is the most common job in Kuwait? Teaching is one of the most popular jobs in Kuwait. And teaching art, young children need new teachers. High school also demands new teachers. You can teach the English language. You can be a construction supervisor in Kuwait. You can be a construction supervisor in Kuwait. Electrical technicians, cooking is in demand in Kuwait. Health is also one of the common job in Kuwait. And next point is, what is the living cost in Kuwait? Summary about cost of living in Kuwait city. Kuwait, family of 4 estimated monthly costs are 2,638 dinars, Kuwaiti dinars. A single person estimated monthly costs are 704 dinars without rent. Kuwait city is 54% less expensive than New York. And the next is, how can I get Kuwait citizenship? By descent, a child born to Kuwaiti father, irrespective of the place of the birth, is a Kuwaiti citizen. A child born to a Kuwaiti mother and unknown father, irrespective of place, is a Kuwaiti citizen. And next point is how many days leave in Kuwait. In Kuwait, 30-day vacation days is in Kuwait. Employees are entitled to a 30-day paid annual leave after having served in an initial 9 months for the employer. Once occurred, annual leave should be taken within 1 year as negotiated with the employee's manager. Annual leave is to be paid in advance of the employee commencing his leave period. And next point is how much is Kuwait visa fee. That is single entry for 30 days is 3,100 dinars single, that is male, and single entry that is 30 days female is 31,000 dinar, that is single day for single entry of 30 days of male is 31,000 dinars and that is single, and a single entry 30 days for female is 34,000 rupees, $34,000. How long? Next point is how long does Kuwait work permit take? Estimated turnaround 1 to 3 days as soon as possible after approval of the work permit. The foreign national must enter Kuwait with their work entry visa, which will be endorsed at the point of entry and post arrival formalities should be completed within 60 days of work permit issuance. This is the information regarding Kuwait. So why I did this video is those are interesting to go for education purpose or business purpose or traveling purpose. They should know the fundamentals. For that purpose only I did this. Wishing you all the best.